last week I've had a pretty crazy idea come to me, right? What if you walk from Accra to Kasoa? I just want you guys to know I'm a normal human being like the rest of you, but having done this a few times, I think I can handle it, but I don't. If I can't, I'll know I've tried. I won't lie. This is scary for me right now, but
Alright guys, so it's 6:20 and I'm about to start. I'm very nervous right now. Alright guys, so it's 7:02 a.m. and I've crossed this spot that's just after Fiesta Royale. Now, when I first tried this 7 months ago from home, trying to get to Liman in Legon, this is the exact same spot. I'm supposed to have the mask on. This is the exact same spot where I stopped. So I feel okay right now. There's not too much going on. Feel the elevation. I feel it in my back, honestly. But the weather is pretty favorable. It's a cold temperature. I'm glad I have the gloves on because my hands might have felt a little numb and holding my phone and the camera and stuff would have been very difficult. But yeah, I'm approaching the Achimota. It's not the overhead. I don't know what name it's called, but it's close to the forest. It's an emergency, so. Alright guys, so it's 8:07 and I'm now approaching Lapaz. I haven't drank water yet. I'm yet to. The fatigue setting in a little, but you know, I have to push that out if I have to make this work. So yeah, still good. I'm now approaching Quarshie Man. I just passed this junction that's known as Bintu. There's a building in that space that is called Bintu, so that's why it's named like that. But I'm now to take my first sip of water.
You always looked after me, brother, when we were children. You always had my back. You took all the blame when our father caught us doing things that drove him mad. Through the years I could lean on you when I messed up. I'd call you in the night, but I broke too many promises and we split up. Though I still need ya, you gotta save me now. I'm slipping so far down. It's only you I trust to set me free from this. I don't know how I got into this awful spot. I don't know where it ends, so I could use your helping hand tonight.
Alright guys, so it's 9:20 a.m. I'm approaching Malam Junction. I sustained a bit of an injury, so I sliced my left middle finger. That's what you see right now, but yeah, I've just had to wash it off and continue. Also, my left hamstring seems a little strained right now. My legs hurt. Everything hurts right now, but you know, you have to push that away, you know, to do something like this. So I'm about halfway through, I think. It's supposed to be a 6-hour journey, so hoping for the best. Alright guys, so it's 10 a.m. and I'm approaching Wager Junction. It's a little further up, but yeah, this is where it starts to get very difficult. This is where it gets very hard to push your body. This is where the mental side really kicks in. this is what you prepare for, but as how do I say this in the right way? You can't prepare for something like this, even mentally. Like, it's so much pressure you feel on your body, you know, but you have to call in question, you know, you almost feel insane. I mean, that's where I am right now, but, you know, I set this goal. I don't intend to quit. Body hurts, my arm, I'm holding up this phone with hurts badly, but we'll do it.
When you find that open door, you gotta let them love you more. Tender hearts will always fight the darkness of the light.
So started pulling the cap because of the sun. There's a cloud cover right now, but I'm sure once that passes, you know, it will be hot again. But I'm approaching Tetteh Junction now. Got to readjust my bag and all that because it's easier. I developed a bit of some bruising over there, so yeah, it's not really great, but so it's 10:58. I stopped to get some water just a few meters away where the organizer is. I'm inching closer to West Hills now. Yeah, it's Alright guys, so I found this spot. Actually, it's not a spot, it's more like the railing to sit on because my feet are right. So I have about an hour and 16 minutes left. 8.3 kilometers so far. So it's 12 p.m. I'm just leaving Ecobank. I had to sit for a long while just to get myself in check, but I think I'm in the final stretch now. It's not been easy, but the fact that we're this close to the finish gives me some peace. So so 43 minutes away from the end, getting past West Hills. I should be approaching a curve that leads into Kasoa, and effectively I'll be in another region. But I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have watched this long. I don't know how long this video is going to turn out in post, but I just want to say a massive thank you. For those of you that have subscribed as well, it means the world. This is why, you know, This for you guys. It's not just for me. It's not, even though it's a personal thing, and I'm testing my limits and doing all of this stuff. This is for us. This is for you. I wouldn't do it if it wasn't because of you guys. So thank you so much. Should be 41 minutes away from finishing. So let's get it. Alright guys, we're in the last two.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go?
Alright guys, so I have officially crossed into the central region. 7 minutes left. Let's finish strong guys. 7 hours. Even though I technically took an hour out because I rested, but I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to express how I feel right now, but I can only thank God for giving me the strength. This is unbelievable to even me. I can't believe I've done this.
Mission complete.
All the hard work paid off, guys. We did something special here. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and please consider subscribing, like this video, and share it if you enjoyed it and you want others to enjoy it as well. Yo, we actually did it.